Hello, continue with the relationship era. Let's talk about the magic of words. So, in order to build this relationship era, I was just reading a book written for Frank Luntz, Dr. Frank Luntz. He wrote a book called Words That Work. How to use the words effectively that actually work in any relationship. Very nice. The author is very nice, very well recognized for his ability to write these things. And one thing I want to take from his book, which was very interesting, was keywords. And let me read it to you, some of the words that are the most popular in the 21st century. Remember we did some videos ago, the 21st century skills? Well, 21st century skills include some keywords who make actually, they have a research and they show that those words have major impact when you work, when you use those words. You know which one it is? The first one? Guess it. Imagine. So the word imagine, create. Remember we were talking about visualization? Imagine. That's the key word. Imagine. The first word, imagine. Have this imagination is the key word in the 21st century. People use it because it's actually one of the most powerful words in this century. You want people to have imagination. You want people to visualize things. We are moving to a visual community. We would like to have YouTubes. I mean, you're looking at me right now. You prefer to hear me instead of taking the book and read it. Is that true? Tell me the truth. Yes, because I myself, if you give me a book and you give me a video, and I know the video will summarize the book, believe me, I will watch the video first and then enjoy the book later, because we are in this new generation. We like to touch things, we want to learn things. So imagine is the key word. So when you use imagination, people will be engaged to your conversation, because imagine is create that idea of something new, something fantastic. Wow, imagination. The other word that is the second word is something that I call hassle-free. I didn't think about that word until I read it, but that's true. Hassle-free. You want something that is very easy to use. You don't have to spend time learning at all. Remember, you want something quickly. We are the new generation. We want things quickly. We don't have to deal with something too much time. We don't want to read manuals anymore, etc. And I can actually completely relate with that. When I was preparing these videos, I was selecting softwares to figure out which one is good for editing. And I played 2 or 3. The ones who took me more than 5 minutes to figure out, I stopped using it. The ones who was very easy, and that was the one I bought. Because I don't have time. You don't have time. Nobody has time. Hassle-free is important. So that means when you talk with somebody and you show your skills, they will try to think that you are a person who is in the convenience, is easygoing, is something that you don't have to go and figure out how to retrain you. You are very easily trainable, and when you are getting trained, you will learn very fast. So all of these hassle-free are the new 21st century words that you have to use. The third one is lifestyle. Lifestyle. So why? Because now people want to live the way they want to. And this is the way people use the word lifestyle. They use what they want to show, what they believe, what they want to, and how they do, and they call it that lifestyle. And lifestyles have always connection with happiness and enjoying life. And how people enjoy life, they want also respect. So that's the third word, which is very popular and influential in a conversation. So when you say image, when you say hassle-free, when you mention lifestyle, and the fourth one is accountability. The new generations wants to hire somebody who is accountable, who is responsible for the acts, who understands what they do, and who they're able to evaluate what the person does, and the person will say, yes, I did it, yes, I don't. So accountability is the fourth word that is very important in this time. Then we have other words that I will just mention, but those four are the most important. Results, obviously, we want results. Innovation, which is very related with imagination, but innovation is a move forward, something completely new that you created, and you can be rich just for being an innovator. And I believe innovation is very important in the transformation of the world, innovation in education, being efficient is important. So those keywords also you should put it in your CV or in your resume or in your description. Efficient, innovation, results, peace of mind. I've never think about it, but peace of mind. People really wants to have connection with somebody who won't be any problem, who give it peace of mind, who actually solve the problems, not give it extra problems. So just for you to have these ideas of these words, so when you have a conversation before follows all these rules, try to use these words who actually engage people.